SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to enable airplane mode on iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you need to put your iPhone into airplane mode because you're getting on a plane or because you're troubleshooting an issue with your Wi-Fi or cellular connection, then you have the option to turn on airplane mode through two different locations. The first option is to open the settings menu, and then you can find the airplane mode option at the top of the screen. Now you just need to tap the button to the right of that, which is going to put the phone into airplane mode as indicated by this little plane icon at the top right corner of the screen. And you'll note that the cellular connection is in airplane mode, Wi-Fi is off, but Bluetooth is still on. When you're finished doing whatever you needed to do in airplane mode, then you can just tap the button again to turn off airplane mode, and it's going to re-enable those connections. Another option that you have for enabling airplane mode is to do it from the control center. You can open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen, and then you just need to find the network connection square at the top left. Now if you tap the plane icon, that's going to put the phone into airplane mode again, and the cellular connection and Wi-Fi connection will also be turned off. Again, if you want to get out of airplane mode, then you can just tap this button, and it's going to restore the previous network settings.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.